guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. We are here today on a 2005 Chevy Equinox. Now, many of you may have your power windows intermittent, especially on the driver's side. It cuts in, cuts out, won't work. Sometimes your door locks will work on that door. I'm going to show you the culprit and what you have to do to repair it. What I did was I pulled off the rubber booty here, used a panel tool. This one here works the best. Pop that off, and I see some bare wires in there. What happens is they get old and brittle and they get chewed up right down there at the bottom of the window rail right here. They get chewed up right there. And if you look real close, you see that brown wire right there? It's all corroded. That's the main power wire that goes to that. I'll take this all apart and show you what you have to do to fix it. All right. The nice thing about this is you pull this up and you can disconnect it from the body harness so you can pull this out to get it outside the door so that you can fix it. There's the culprit. Clean this up and solder it back together and wrap some tape around it, maybe put some shrink sleeve on it. Then I'm going to really wrap this up with some black tape. All right, I found some more wires that are starting to split, like that green one right there, the black one. This purple one's got a split in it right there. But there's our main culprit, and its mate is right there. Now here's the problem. The wire's too short to solder it together. So we're going to add a splice wire in there. Now we could put some connectors on that, clamp it down really hard, and it might never come apart, but we're not going to take that chance. And you can't take the wires out, so you've got to do it right where you're at, and it makes it tough. I like to spread the wires apart. Here's my jumper wire, and I like to intermingle them. I like to try to keep the wire as straight as possible. Now if we had thinner wire, we would use our soldering tool here. We're going to use a torch, and I find it works better for me. You can use whatever you want. And the nice thing about it, gets it pretty hot pretty quick. You can watch how quick it melts the solder. Real quick. Now that glob right there is what I want, because all I have to do is turn the torch way down low and come underneath it. And when that soaks in, I know I'm good. When the glob disappears, we're good to go. We'll do the same on this end, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. This will not come apart very easily. And then we touched up all these wires with a little solder in those as well. Let's tape it up and see if the window switch works. She's taped up and done. All right, let's try the glass. It came down. Let's see if it goes up. Works like a charm, baby. All right, right here is the bottom of the glass. This is where the wire was wearing at the bottom of the track. We're going to take a piece of rubber tubing and silicone that on there. It'll go right over it. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. That'll keep it from wearing out again, because there's metal on the backside here. Chews it right up. All right, here's our piece of rubber tubing. We are going to press this up on there, and I'll do it and then show you what it looks like. All right, there's our piece of rubber tubing. It is just below where the glass stops, so that will stop it from chewing that up any longer. bye.